Hey guys, just want to go over a couple things for you right now. I'm going to help you make the world's best window cleaner. Forget buying the stuff at the store or at the auto parts store or the detail shop. Make your own, and this is why. You know, the stuff made these days, man, it says streak free, right? Oh, it's going to be great. All of a sudden you wipe your windows down, you got a show car, you got a really nice car, or you want to keep your windows clean in your house or in your mirrors. And you go to wipe your cars and then you drive in the sun and what do you see? Streaks everywhere. Okay, here's what you want to do. Go to your local store and buy some, right here, some distilled white vinegar. Okay, next, get yourself a little spray bottle. You can use one from the house, or I get this at the local 99-cent store for $1. Looks kind of cool, right? And then I use distilled water because there's no impurities in that water. I'm not gonna drink it. I'm gonna clean my windows with it. But also you can use like a purified water. Some of your houses, you know, you got that little faucet, right? On your kitchen sink, and you got purified water. You got it coming out of your refrigerator these days. Don't use tap water. You know, there's always lots of minerals in that. That's why you can't just go wash your car in the driveway and just let it drip dry, because what are you gonna do? Get a bunch of water spots, right? So just use these two. Now what you want to do on your bottle, maybe fill it up like right here with some apple cider vinegar. What is that, about 20%, 15, 20%? And then the rest of this, all water. And then shake it up really good. Spray it on your windows. Here's what you're gonna find. When you do your car windows inside and out, and use a paper towel, that always works good. You can, some people use microfiber towels, that's fine, but I just think paper towels, there's nothing on them, right? There's no detergents, anything on them, so it's probably gonna make them even better. Some people say use crumpled up newspaper. But anyways, so wash your windows on your car with this and you're gonna be so pleased. You're gonna go, oh my gosh, it's almost a different level clean. It's so clean. Now, I use it on my chrome on my bumpers when I leave the car wash. It seems to drip some water on my chrome bumpers of my car. So I just spray a little bit of this on there, wipe it down with a microfiber towel, and my chrome just sparkles. Now, part of my steering wheel on my old truck is chrome. So I use it on that, but I also use it on other things. Just general light cleaning really makes things really, really clean. So to me, and I hope for you, this is the world's best homemade window cleaner. Take care, guys. Make some of this and let me know. Thanks.